Stop scrolling because this isn't your average cookie cutter home. We have fresh paint, new flooring, vaulted ceilings, and a kitchen that actually makes you want to cook. Welcome to 312 Truckey Roost Lane, the one everyone in Troy is going to be talking about. Here's the deal. Homes this clean, this updated, and this ready don't sit on the market very long. If you've been waiting for a sign, this is it. Call or message me today. Let's set up that private tour before someone else gets it. I'm John Meier with Westplex Real Estate, here for all your real estate needs. Make it a great day.